right, so this is a simple project. It's the cutout. So in espionage terms, cutout refers to two different things. One, it refers to someone who's been removed, compartmentalized outside of an operation or mission or whatever, and they don't really know what's going on, but you use them to pass a message or something. So second, cutout refers to actually the cutting out of material, say a brick wall, for example, where you could stash something to make, like, say, a dead drop. So this is an example of a cutout using it as a concealment device. There's all sorts of different types of concealment devices, and I'm going to do some videos on some other DIY concealment devices, but this is the simplest, probably most widely known concealment device. So essentially you're just opening the book, cutting it, having a cutout, and you're having the ability to hide things, money, jewelry, whatever you want inside there. And this is not what the video is about. It's actually about this book. This book is a smaller book, also a cutout. And this is just a kit that I've been playing around with, kind of building out and playing around with as for travel. And so I've got a few things in here specifically for use of travel, but also for just kind of playing around, messing around. So first and foremost, I've got these, the kit is designed around inexpensive electronics that you can do interesting things with. So first, I've got a set of bugs. These are just audio devices. Neither of them are powered. And essentially they're small, lightweight, they cost $2. And so you can wire this essentially into a power source of any kind that you find in the field. So for example, like this was placed into a fire or a smoke alarm. You can cut the 9-volt battery power cable out of there and solder it right on here, plug it in, and you get yourself power and a bug. You could wire this into an outlet. You can wire it into a lamp. There's plenty of options, radio clocks, things like that. So it's a lot of fun. You can place these around your house and then use just an analog radio or any kind of radio, really a digital radio even, and use that to listen. And then you can also use it to find the bug, which is kind of fun. So it's kind of a fun game to play. I'm not sure if I posted about this earlier, but so if I did, I apologize. A USB condom. This one's a purchased one. I can't remember how much it was, to be honest, but I got it from Stately Asset Protection, and essentially fantastic tool for travel. If you ever have to charge at an airport or a hotel using USB, this gives you that kind of added level of protection. They're actually super easy to make. So if you've got a little bit of extra time and some components, you can very inexpensively make these just as well. USB condom, very handy. This is a deauthor, and the deauthor is based off of a Node EMCU chip. And essentially what I can do is I can plug this into my phone, and then I can essentially, it's not the right terminology, but jam or deauthor Wi-Fi signals. So anyone in the area of this device is not going to be able to receive Wi-Fi signals. So it's kind of just, another little thing. $5, I think, is what these cost or less. So very, very inexpensive with some open source software downloaded on. It takes 10 minutes. Pretty simple. You can buy larger versions of this for upwards to $30 to $50, or you can just buy the chip and or board and have it for less than $5. And then lastly, the Raspberry Pi. Lots of tools that you can do with these Zeros. $5, and so you can use it as a pirate radio. You can have it set up as a pirate box, which is the configuration I have this. You can use it for video surveillance. You can use it for or a hidden video rather, and then you can use it as a keylogger as well into a computer. So plenty of different options on what you can do with something like this. $5. And then I got the camera, and then I always have my NFC tags as well. That, again, we did a video on these before. You can do plenty of these things. So, for like $20 maybe, $5, $5, $2, you get yourself the beginnings of a pretty cheap and fun kit to play around with.